It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
He needs some milk.
Would you give me a cup?
Uncomfortable calm on the opposite end of the ring, and Aleister Black.
Byron, especially in this setting, there's just something very, very different when Aleister Black comes into the room.
Black is slowly sauntering towards us. Oh.
Get up, get up. Out, get up, come on. What is he doing? I don't know. It's not my opponent. Get out. Go. It's not my opponent. Let's go. That's your opponent.
Oh, and Ruff went in the attack, and now Aleister Black catching his opponent.
Ruff went for it, but it just didn't work out too well.
Monster kill.
Oh, what the fuck am I watching?
Another victory for Aleister Black.
Here is your winner, Aleister Black!